Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to reverse a video on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step that we need to do is to make sure that our Snapchat app is updated. Open your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. After open the Snapchat app, let's go to our camera and let's record our video. So I'm going to hold down the record button and I'll take a video of my keyboard right here. As you can see, this is how the video looks like at a normal speed, but I want to reverse it. What I need to do is to just start swiping from the right side of the screen to the left until I can see the filters being applied to my video, and just swipe until you can see a little reverse filter that looks like this. When you find this filter, it will have this reverse little icon, and when you apply this filter, your Snapchat video will be reversed. It will now start playing from the end just like this, and you can then save the video in your Snapchat gallery, or you can send it to your friends and do whatever you want with it. You can also choose any video from the camera roll. Then apply this filter on it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.